Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn off floating notifications in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn off floating notifications, we have to go to Settings first, then we're looking for Notifications menu, and in here under Advanced Settings we have floating notifications. Right now, by default, we have our bubbles selected. To turn it off, we simply choose the option to turn it off, and that's basically it. It's a little bit hidden in advanced settings. No need to save. Just check or uncheck the box, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.